Hi, Dynamic Mind. Welcome to the Growpeak YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send purchase event data from both sides, browser side and server side with deduplication. In the previous video, I already showed you how to send page view data with deduplication from the browser side as well as server side in the Shopify website. So this is actually GTM web, and this is the server side GTM. So in the server side GTM, we actually configured in the previous video. Now we will pass the data, purchase data from browser side as well as using GA4 sent to the server side. So how we will do that? Just go to the preview section. Go to the preview section and connect. I'm going to complete the one purchase from here, and debugger is connected. Now one thing I have to do, now shop now. Oh, sorry, this is sold out. So I have to take another one. And this one, select this one. Buy now. Click the buy now button. And add to cart. And product. Add to cart event will be fired now. It's actually coming. Yeah. Now, enable. Go to the shopping. Yeah, now connected. So select here, put all the information, go to the shopping. Yeah, now continue payment, and we will select COD for testing purpose and click the complete order, and order is processing and successfully transaction complete. So go to the data layer variable, and you will we have to configure this way. So transaction is a event, so I'm going to create trigger first of all according to data layer. Click here, FB purchase trigger. Now select the custom event, that is the transaction. Okay, this is the transaction. So save it. Now we have to create a variable. All variable already is there. In the previous video, we already showed how to enable data layer in the Shopify website, and we uploaded one JSON. In the JSON file, actually provide the all data layer variable here. Okay, so now I am configuring a tag FB purchase tag. Okay, so I'm selecting FB pixel ID. This is the purchase event, and object properties. We have to configure like that way. Just go to the document. No, this is not this one. This one. So we have to provide content types. Naming should be the same. So content type is product, and then currency. Currency will take from here. Currency data is available here. This is currency. Now we have to send from the browser side value, copy, value to be the transaction total. This data layer variable is here, transaction total. Then we have to provide content IDs. So I'm selecting here. You can use this. Basically, content ID is actually product IDs. Product IDs variable. Here you will get. You can search here very easily. Product ID. Okay. So in this video, basically we will for the Facebook, we have to provide content type, content IDs, value, and currency. So we already configured that, and where actually the trigger will be the FB purchase trigger. Okay, and we can send event ID as well from here, so that deduplication happened. In the previous video, we already showed how to configure event ID. Okay, so it's done. Now in the server side, using GA4, so GA4 SS, GA4 SS FB purchase tag. So I am going to GA4 event section, select the GA4 config, event name is purchase. Okay, event parameter should be like that way. Content type. In the server side, you have to use this parameter X -FB -CD, then content type. But in the browser side, if we have to use just content type. Okay. So in the browser side, content type is product, and content ID you have to use like that way for the browser side. Content IDs, we have to actually use product ID. but sometimes it's not work. That's why we are using transaction ID. Okay, and you can send any static variable as well. So value means transaction total. Currency, we can use easily currency. Currency variable is here. This is the currency. Okay, now event ID parameter. Event ID naming should be the same. Event ID, FB event ID. Okay, and trigger should be the purchase trigger. It can be purchase trigger, right? FB purchase trigger. Okay, so this is actually done. Now for the checking, I am submitting it. For the checking, I am going to the event section. In the event section, test ID actually sometimes sometimes it's actually changed time to time. So I'm copying it for the checking. I'm go to here server side GTM, and I am putting here so that we can see, right? So it actually changed. Now save it, publish it. Now if we want to check it, just go in the event manager, just select the test event, and our step container is running, take body, no problem. So now we have to check, just go to the workspace, preview mode, and as well as in the server container, go to the preview mode. So in the web container, it's connecting, debugging mode is connecting, and yeah, finally connected. Now we will say whether it's fired or not. Okay, so go to this buy now, click the buy now, proceed checkout. Its specific event is fired already. Select the Dhaka and is Bangladesh. Okay, continue shopping. Now go to the payment section, and I'm selecting cash on delivery for the testing purpose. Complete order. It will happen here as well. Also purchase event triggered here. Yeah, finally. So purchase event already triggered here. Actually will come. Yeah, purchase event actually here, triggered here. Variable okay, event data, client ID. Oh, everything is okay. Now go to the event section, purchase event, and purchase event also deduplicate. So this is how we can easily send to purchase data from browser side and server side with deduplication in the Shopify website. So if you did not subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe the channel. And if you want this document, just in the comment box, please comment here. Okay. Thank you.